I was at work in the back room, jumping up and down with the phone on mute, jumping for joy. Okay, yes, I am back. Yes, I want to share with you all how I manifested my dream job. I now have another dream job, but I'm very happy with my current position. I work from home. It's very chill. My boss is amazing. My team is amazing. Started in July. Before that, I was working 2 jobs and running ragged. I mean, Raggedy Ann over here. In May of this year, I had been working 2 jobs since October of last year, 2020. Okay, October 2020, I was working 2 jobs, 2 like this ain't it jobs, okay? We're just gonna call them the this ain't it jobs. I was applying every single day from like November to January, and then I stopped a little bit in January and I started back in March, just applying to places, updating my resume, etc., etc. I have a friend who I met through Bumble. She is an HR supervisor. So remember seeing something on her Instagram profile about her working in HR. So I mentioned to her, I said, hey, would you mind taking a look at my resume? I didn't know that she offered resume writing services. I just remembered that she worked in HR. This was probably about April, maybe. And I said to my brother around this time as well, I said, I need to find one job in a marketing position that is remote, that pays a specific salary or up, right? I said this to my brother. I could probably bring him in here and ask him and he would tell you. But I said, I am too tired all the time. I have low iron, like your girl. We got low iron in here. I gotta take iron pills every day. That's why I'm always cold. I digress. But I said this to my brother. I reached out to my friend. She looked over my resume. She rewrote some of my resume for me. I didn't even ask her. I was like, girl, can I pay you? And she was like, yeah, just send me 15 bucks. I was gonna pay somebody $200 to redo my resume. I was gonna pay someone $200 to rewrite my resume. You heard me correctly. And there are people offering resume writing services for $500 and up. And I understand. I totally get it. Get your bag, sis. But I was not in that position to pay that type of money. So she rewrote my resume. I had already spoke it, I said it to my brother. Not only did I say this to my brother, but I found the paper, and that's what inspired me to make this video. I use the angel method. The angel method that I discovered on TikTok. I will have to find the TikToker's name. The angel method is basically a method of affirmation, okay? So A is for affirmation, N is for intention, G is for gratitude, E is for emotion, and L is for letting go. I will put this below, and I will find the TikTok creator's name and put her link below as well. She is on YouTube. I just can't remember her name at the moment. So I did this affirmation method and it changed my life. So I started this job around mid-July. My friend redid my resume in May. I told my brother probably in April, and I started this job in July. Okay, now between that time, I took this paper. I wrote this at work, at the place I was working at the time. I wrote this one day at work and I said, I have to get out of here. And this also verifies, the things that you speak out of your mouth will come to be. because another TikToker around the same time, she said, quit saying you can't wait. Quit saying, I can't wait to do this. I can't wait to do that. Because I had been saying all the time, I can't wait to leave this job. I can't wait. The second I quit saying that, everything changed. She said, instead of saying I can't wait, say I am ready. I am ready. And the second I started saying I am ready, literally my life changed in a matter of like a month. I took this to work with me in June. I was applying to jobs in May. I was applying to jobs in June. And I finally found the job that I have now around mid-June. Okay, I applied. They got back to me the next week. I interviewed. I reached out to follow up, right, as you do. They referred me to the HR supervisor. I spoke with her. Everyone was really great. Everyone on the team was really great. They were very communicative. I had only had an interview with my boss, who I didn't know was my boss at the time, and this HR supervisor. I reached out about a week after that second interview with the HR professional. I just reached out to follow up, and the HR supervisor called me back about 3 days after. They were in communication with me via email. So she calls me about 3 days after that follow-up email, and she's like, hey, I want to see how you're feeling, how were the interviews, how are you feeling about the position? I said, I feel great. And she said, well, we'd like to offer you the position. And I was at work at the place where I wrote this out, right? I was at work in the back room, jumping up and down with the phone on mute, jumping for joy, because I ran out. I literally ran outside and started crying, and I had to come back upstairs because I couldn't, I didn't let them know that I was leaving yet. So she said, we'd like to offer you the position. This is a salary. Girl, I could have jumped out the window, but we didn't do that. I was so happy, and it is all because of the angel method and speaking the things that you want into existence. I kid you not. It was one of those moments where I was like, man, if I apply this to every single thing in my life, there's no reason I can't have everything that I want. There's absolutely no reason. So I gave my 2 weeks notice. I think she called on a Monday. I gave my 2 weeks notice that Friday, and I started around July 17th or 20th, somewhere around there. But yes, that is how TikTok and the angel method changed my life. When I tell y'all I was running ragged, like I was working 2 this ain't it jobs. I was waking up at 4 in the morning to go to one job, leaving that job at 9:30, going to the other job, working from 9:30, 10 o'clock to 5:30 p.m., coming home and running my candle business. When I say I was running ragged, I mean it. Now I can run ragged at home because I still do too much, but I'm happy because I'm at home. I'm chilling. I can grab my coffee. I can wear my robe. I can wear my blanket if it's cold. I'm good. I am so happy. I love my team. I love my job. And you know what my boss said? We were chatting one day and she said, yeah, you were my first interview and I really, really liked you. And I thought, I really like her, but I don't know if it's because she's the first person. And she was like, no, I just really liked you. You just had a great energy about you. And I was like, you know what? Thank you, angel method, because I was just so happy. I'm just so excited to share this with you all, and I hope that this changes someone's life. I'm putting everything that you need to do below. You can look it up. You can look up the TikToker. I'll put her name below. Do not underestimate the power of the tongue. Do not underestimate the power of the words that you speak over your life. It is literally life-changing, and I'm doing the same thing because I want a salary increase or I'm out the door. No, I'm just kidding. But I love the company I work for. It's a travel company. I've learned so much about like all these amazing places around the world. But I just wanted to share that with you all, and I hope that it inspired you. If you're gonna try the angel method, please comment below and let me know. I would love to help you through it and explain to you how I did it. I took this to work. I took this paper to work with me every single day, and I said this every morning and every night before I went to sleep for probably about 3 weeks until the big change happened. And I want you guys to implement this in your life, or whatever it is that you need or want in your life. It's just about really being intentional about the things you want for yourself and envisioning the life you want for yourself. And I swear by it. I swear by it. If you guys want to learn more about affirmations and being intentional with life, vision boards, all that amazing stuff, comment below. I'm happy to share my stories about those things. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for hanging with me. I'm so glad you're here. I'm so glad that you exist. Thank you for being here with me. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, tell a friend, hit that bell, leave a comment, send some love, and I will see you in the next video. Start the channel, sis. Start the channel.